She's seen better days, hasn't she? Rusted solid, weeds everywhere, but she's a fighter. With some love, she'll be back on the road.
Let's see what we're working with here. The carburetor looks promising. I need to check the timing next. This old girl might just run again.
Let's see what we're working with. Heavy rust, needs full restoration. Flat tires, oil leaks everywhere, a real project.
All right, winching it up.
Let's see what we've got here. Body's rough, but the frame looks solid. Chains are tight. This Gullwing's a survivor. Easy now, keep it steady. Tires are holding, almost there. Clear the way. We're bringing it in. All right, push steady, keep it straight. Got it, coming in clean. Watch the door frame.
Let's get a better look at this. The corrosion here is worse than I thought.
We'll need to replace this hose.
Steady now, let's check the wiring.
Let's see what we're working with here. Rusted through, might need a new part. Okay, let's get this bolt off. Ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Steady now. Hinges are really stuck. Wow, look at that engine bay. All right, let's get this old lens out. Now for the new one. Perfect fit, good as new. These body panels are about 50% repaired. I'm smoothing the entire surface now. Got to be thorough. No headlamps yet, but the shape is coming back.
Welds are cooling nicely, fillers set. Just need to check the front alignment.
This 300SL engine is finally 100% rebuilt. Look at that clean polish. Every part is back to original spec. She's ready to go back in.
This beauty's got a story to tell. See this chrome? Original finish. The engine bay is next. Let's check the fender alignment.
All right, all four wheels are on. Time for a test push. Rolling nice and smooth. Hear that? Perfect. The Gullwing is nearly complete.